Hi guys, it's Lewis from Johnson's Mazda in Solihull. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm alerting you of one of our stock MX-5s, which is an exclusive line 1.5 litre MX-5 convertible finished in zircon sand metallic. And I'm just going to go through a couple of features with you today as to why you should buy our MX-5. With this being the exclusive line, you can see there's a couple of features on this car that the standard vehicle wouldn't have. So firstly, you can see we've got the lovely black leather in here. And we have also got a couple of features on top of that. So you've got the heated driver seat, which is a 3-stage setting, and you have got the heated passenger seat, which is also a 3-stage setting. And if we come down to the center part here, you can see we've got 2 USBs. The first one has a white phone icon, which essentially means when plugging in with the USB, you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which obviously reflects onto this screen here, which makes your day-to-day life a lot easier when you sort of recognize what you're doing on the screen. Alternatively, you can use Bluetooth, and then you can use Mazda system, which is all controlled down on the center dial here. When you are stationary, however, this screen is touchscreen. It's only when you drive that you have to use the command wheel down here. So it has got sat-nav as standard, and as I said, Bluetooth, and you've also got DAB, FM and AM. So you've got multiple ways to listen to your favorite music. We have got automatic lights in this car, so there's another worry-free thing there. So you just put your lights on auto and you don't need to touch them. All you'd have to do really is push this dial back once, and you can use your adaptive headlights as well. So what that essentially means is when it gets a little bit dark and there's not enough lighting around, your headlights will come on, and then as soon as it sees another car, they just sort of dip off. So it makes life a lot easier when sort of driving around. You have also got cruise control on this car. I know, crazy on a car like this, a sort of small MX-5 convertible, but you have got cruise control and you have got a speed limiter as well, with also hands-free sort of dials around here, so you can answer the calls, decline a call, skip a track, go back a track, etc. And you have also got your automatic wipers, which again are a blessing in the UK, because as we know, it's not that sunny here, it's always raining. MX-5 also has climate control as well, so that's all controlled on these 3 dials here, with the left being control of your AC, your heat, the center is your fan speeds, which you can also do to auto, so it detects where the vehicle needs air and it will send air appropriately around the cabin. And then you've also got your directional, but again, you can use automatic to send the air where it needs to be. With it being an MX-5, you don't have your conventional glove box here. It is sort of located on the center in here, which can actually be locked with the manual key. So if you did want to lock that up, if the car's being valeted or if a friend's driving the vehicle and you didn't want to see anything in here, you can just lock that up for a little bit more security there. And you have got another little cubby here for a couple of things. A lot of MX-5 owners that I see love to put their locking wheel nut in there. That way it never sort of gets lost when it comes in for a service or an MOT, which is very useful. And it's also useful for us when we're doing people's part exchanges. Everyone always thinks, oh, the locking wheel nut's in the glove box, but it's not. We always find the owners putting them in here, which, thanks to that, guys, it does help massively. Cup holders, you have got 2 in this vehicle, which can be moved around. So you can put them in the center here, and then as you saw there, you can move it around and pop that in there as well. But as you can see, the car has got a lot of spec in here for such a small car, with what most people want being sat-nav, heated seats, Apple CarPlay. For me, they're the most important things. I need heated seats being in the UK, and I must have Apple CarPlay, but also leather. Leather's extremely soft and comfortable, and it's also a little bit nice when them heated seats are on because it warms up a lot faster. So you're probably wondering how to put the convertible down. So there's a small clip here that you pull, and then pull this black part down. You've got a couple of grooves here that you push over, then you want to make your way out of the vehicle, come to the back here, and just push that down. To put it back up, there's a clip just above your sort of glove box that we spoke about earlier. You pull that up, and then you just pull the roof over as such, and then you clip it in underneath. This stock vehicle, we are running a discount on at the moment, so the cash price is $24,895. But if you aren't looking for a cash price, we are offering finance as well. So give us a call or come and see us, and we can give you a quote on that also.